Welcome to Sunday Reach by Dominicans in India. My dear brothers and sisters in Jesus Christ, we are on the last Sunday of the year 2021. Today we celebrate the feast of the family of Jesus, Mary and Joseph. We call this family the Holy Family of Nazareth. This family is the model of each of our family, dear friends. Once I visited an elderly lady who was staying in a well-built house. I asked her, "How are you?" She said, "She's okay." She said, "My sons send me money, I buy things, I cook and eat." Then I said, "That means you are happy." The tears began rolling down her cheeks. She said, "Brother, I am dying here of loneliness. My people have left me here alone. They have abandoned me. They have built so big mansion, but they don't even visit me. They don't even ask me my how about." Dear friends, for us only food and shelter is not enough. More than that, we require a family. We need family love, care, good words, their companionship. When we call the family of Nazareth Holy Family, they had these qualities in their family. They must have not had a big mansion, must have not had the best food. Just as every family has to face problems and overcome them, so also the Holy Family had to carry crosses. There many crosses come to mind as we read the scriptures. Even there was no proper place to Jesus' birth. Then the family had to flee to Egypt as refugees because Jesus' life was in danger due to Herod. And in today's gospel, Mary and Joseph suffered the awful experience of losing Jesus for 3 days when he was 12 years old. The saddest moment of all came when Mary watched her son die on the cross. Dear friends, we may ask a question: how did this Holy Family overcome all these difficulties? These few points or the qualities that we are going to reflect here will help us, our families, to live a life modeled on the Holy Family of Nazareth. The first one is humility. To strengthen the family bond, there is a need of humility. Mother Mary and Joseph humbled themselves before each other. During their time, whenever family used to go out walking, women used to begin their journey early and men used to start late, since women used to take little longer time to walk. That's why in today's gospel, Joseph thinks child Jesus is with Mary and Mother Mary thinks Jesus is with Joseph. When Joseph met Mary, he did not see child Jesus with Mary. Then Joseph did not get angry with Mary, nor Mary was angry with Joseph. They did not blame each other, but they began to search for him. In our families, when there is confusion, how do we act and react, dear friends? When we become humble and begin to understand each other, the bond of the family gets strengthened. Secondly, the spirit of thanksgiving. Each family member is a gift to the other. When one shoulders the other, shows care to the other, the spirit of thanksgiving is important. When we say at least a word of thanks from our hearts, the bonding is strengthened. Most of the times, we forget to show this kind of spirit to our family members. The Holy Family lived this kind of thanking spirit throughout their lives. Thirdly, the sacrificial life. There is no gain without pain. So also there is no strong bonding without sacrifices in the family. In our families, when we recognize how the members sacrifice their joys, happiness for the other and in turn sacrifice their comforts for the family would deepen the relationship and the bonding between the family members. Mother Mary and Joseph sacrificed their comforts and pleasures in their life. Thus, there was great love, peace, and joy in their family. Thus, we call this family the Holy Family of Nazareth. Fourthly, learn to appreciate each other. When we begin to appreciate each other for the very gift of their lives and talents in their life in a family, they are encouraged to live a better life of joy and love in the family and in society. The Holy Family lived the life of appreciating each other for their very gift of life and their responsibility. Fifthly, a life of generosity. In a family, when we are present during the moments of joy and sorrows of the other, we bring unity in the members of the family. Our generosity of being available to our families bring unity to the family. The Holy Family was available for each other generously whenever required. Therefore, there was unity among them, so they lived holy life. Sixthly, prayer life. The family prays together, stays together. Many families fail to pray together, and the result of which is lack of peace, joy, and love among the members. The Holy Family followed the law of offering to the Lord. They conversed with the Lord in all of their circumstances, and they were able to live a life of holiness. When we surrender ourselves in the Lord's hands in prayer, He helps us, our families, to live holy and blameless life. Seventhly, hope in the Lord. In our families, when we face problems, sufferings, pain, and sickness, we are called to live a life of hope and ask grace from the Lord to bear all these pains and sufferings. Holy Family hoped in the Lord in all the circumstances and believed in the covenant of God that He is our God and we are His people. Dear friends, a house as a structure we require, but more than that, we require a home where we experience love, care, concern for each other. House may not give us joy, but home or the family does it. House may not promise you peace, but the family can give peace of mind and heart. House can give you security, but the family can show care and concern. Let us build our families by keeping in mind the qualities of the Holy Family. May the Holy Family of Nazareth, Jesus, may bless us. Mary and Joseph may intercede for our family to live our life by following their example. Amen.